do because all the points of balance are wrong. The controls of back to front, it needs great skill and close concentration to perform this trick successfully. The imps can do it, not just riding in reverse, but crossing over in reverse as well. And if you thought the first one was a fluke, they'll do it again. That four-way crossover is one of that reverse crossover is one of the most difficult items performed by any team. Now the imps are going to throttle right back to walking speed. A beautiful demonstration of poise, balance and control under the Johnny Light show.